probably tell by the tape, I got a mystery box from Alex Lechner. So if you guys aren't familiar with Alex Lechner, he's got Alex GTRS. If you haven't checked him out, he makes some really crazy one of kind guitars and diddly bows. Get a chance to check him out on Facebook. He's got some really cool stuff. Anyways, back to the unboxing. Let's check it out. Love that blue masking tape, don't you? Dear Casey, here are the skateboard bodies that you wanted. I can only find 2 in my wood shop. One is a project that I started but never finished. I'm sure that that you can add your own personal twist to it, and the other one is the other body that I had laying around in the wood shop. Still working on your guitar. Sonny, sorry it's taking a long time, or taking so long. Thanks for waiting and understanding. It will be crazy awesome. So, one of a kind Frankenstein creation. Laugh out loud. Anyways, enjoy. Alex. All right. Half of one. That's pretty freaking sweet. There's like a hand forged file. That is freaking awesome. Can't wait to play with it. We'll make something out of it. It will make noise. Thanks, Alex. Catch you later.